Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine. This is GMC, and please put a thumb up, share and subscribe. That would be a great support. Thank you guys. So today's video is about sugarcane. To tell you the truth, I'm one of those guys who used to think that sugarcane could only grow in swamps and wetlands. But I was totally wrong, and this is the proof. It's up on a hill. It's not in a swamp, it's not in a wetland. It's just on a hill, in a home. Check the place. As you can see, all the way down there, there's a wetland where they used to plant sugar canes. There used to be a huge plantation of sugar canes there in that wetland, but they are no longer there. It's now being exploited for some other things. So as you can see, from way down there up here, this is a hill, and this is a sugar cane. So what happened here, a friend of mine came, observed this soil and said, you guys, you know, you can grow sugar canes here. So she brought me a stem, a small piece of a sugar cane, that part of it which is in the ground, and then she planted it here. It was only one stem, and this is what it has produced. This is what it has produced. So she told me sugar canes do not only grow in wetlands, they can also grow in homes where there is manure, enough manure in the soil and enough water. Make sure you water it on a daily basis, and make sure that it is planted in a soil where there is enough manure. So there used to be a compost here sometimes back, way back, more than 30 years ago. We used to have a compost here where we used to dump some food leftovers. So this is why the sugar cane grew this big on a hill. I'm insisting on a hill because many people, including me, used to think sugar canes could only grow in places like that one. There, in the wetland. So guys, you can try it at home. Make sure you have enough manure in your soil. And once you plant your stem in the ground, make sure you water it on a daily basis. That's it, guys. Hey. Gatesi we, dore bagusaruriye ibintu udahari, ubuse nuzu uzambaza ngo byagiye hehe. Gatesi barakuriye igisheke. Niko uri umuhinzi wa hatari. Uziko ufite icyo bita une pousse verte. Gatesi mu cyongereza baravuga ngo you have a green thumb. Tu as une pousse verte. Ufite ikiganza cyiza kabisa. Ikiganza cyiza cyeza. gera rero uze nawe uganure ku musaruro wawe dore warejeje. Yateye kimeze nk'iki ngiki.
Cyo hasi ariko
Ni nk'inguri yacyo.
gikuze.
Kibyara ibisheke bingana
Ko twari turi kukirya tukumva icyo gikomeye ariko uzi ko twari turi kubinyunya. Atera bibiri rero iki ngiki kiriho byinshi.
Ndemeye ariko ni cyane cyane kubera cya kimoteri cyacu cya kera.
Kandi cyari kikijya. Uwe uryo wumve.
Ndaturya.
Zikundi turi gaira tunyongore.
Urumva rero